A very warm welcome, my dear friends, to Canopy of Science. Today, we will continue our topic on cell. If you haven't watched the previous video on cell, I will request you to watch that topic first for better understanding of today's lesson. So let's embark on this journey. Happy learning! Now coming to classification of cell. Cells are classified according to their occurrence on the earth, that is which is the oldest cell and which is the modern cell, according to their size and according to their shape. Coming to classification of cells according to their occurrence on the earth, they are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. The word karyon means nucleus. In prokaryotic cell, the word pro means primitive or old. So a cell with an old nucleus is called a prokaryotic cell. Example is bacteria. In eukaryotic cell, the word eu means new or modern. So a cell with a modern nucleus is called a eukaryotic cell. Example, animal cells, plant cells and fungal cells. Coming to classification of cells according to size. Some cells are big, some cells are medium sized and some cells are small. The length of the cells are measured mainly in 2 units. The bigger cells are measured in millimeter, whereas the smaller cells are measured in micrometer. In short, micrometer is also called as micron. This is a Greek letter which is called mu. Coming to classification of cells according to their shape. Cells are of different shape and hence they are classified according to their shape also. Some examples are oval cells. This is a red blood cells, that is RBC. Spherical cells like fat cells. Tubular cells, the cells which look like a tube or cylinder. This is a sieve tube in plant cells. Spindle shaped cells. This is a muscle cell. And a irregular cell, that is a cell which do not have any specific or defined geometrical shape. So it is a irregular shaped cell. This is a nerve cell or neuron. Lastly, coming to the functions of cell. First function is cells give shape to the body. A frog looks like a frog, a plant like a plant, a bacteria never looks like a human being, isn't it so? This is because all the arrangement of cells in particular organism is different from one another. The manner or the way in which the cells are arranged, in that way only the organism acquires its particular shape. Cells help in the growth of the body. From one cell, cell division occurs and 2 cells are formed. From 2 cells, 4 cells are formed. From 4 cells, 8 cells are formed and so on. So as there will be an increase in the number of cells, there occurs the growth of a living organism or the growth of the body of the living organism in length and breadth too. Next, cells help in the production of energy. Whatever energy we require to perform our daily work is formed by the cells only. Cells help in digestion, transport, excretion of substances. These all are the vital functions which are performed within the cells. Cells help in repair and regeneration. All of us at certain point of our time have injured ourselves. Now, does a wound remain in that place where we have injured our body for lifetime? No, the wound heals itself with time. This is because in the wounded area, the damaged cells are replaced by new cells, cells divide over time and form a new layer of skin over that wounded area. So, injured area in this way is regenerated by the cells. Lastly, cells help in the transfer of gene from parents to offspring. What does that mean? This means that you, of course, look like your parents. Even your sibling also look like you and your parents. This is because there are certain characters which are called as gene, which is present within the cells. These genes are transferred from parent to the offspring. And who is responsible for the transfer of this gene from the parents to their children is nothing but the cells. Thank you for listening with patience. Next video we will discuss about history of cell. Hope you have enjoyed today's learning. If you have any doubt, mention it in the comment section. Until next time, stay healthy, stay motivated and keep learning as knowledge is everywhere. You just need to grab it.